Hi, good morning everyone. Hi, I'm Keegan Tan here. So in this episode of Jalan-jalan Cari property, at this location, it is one of the prime and hot location in Penang. If you're talking about playing the Monopoly game, this will be probably one of the hot prime real estate properties in Penang, which is at the location of Persiaran Gurney over here. So in this episode of Jalan-jalan Cari property, alright, I'm at this along this Persiaran Gurney over here, and I would like to cover today's project more to those that are watching live. Thank you for watching live. Project that is more to the upscale property, which is more on the high-end properties. I would say high-end properties, or they call it the super condo. On this live, since we're talking about super condo, let me give you a little bit of definition of what is super condo about. So super condo, we can categorize it by based on two aspects. Number one is of course the price. The price is basically normally super condos is above 1 million and above. Thank you for watching live. And in terms of size also, the size is normally more than 2,000 square feet per unit. Yeah. So in this episode, I would like to cover this project called the Gurney Paragon. Not about the mall, alright, but I'm going to cover the Gurney Paragon condominium residences. Alright, I'm now standing in between along the Persiaran Gurney, in between the two tower over here. Yeah, thank you for those watching live. In between the two towers over here, the West Tower and the East Tower of Gurney Paragon. Okay, so in terms of a little bit about background of this project, it's very well located, as mentioned to you, along well-known Persiaran Gurney, very nearby to Gurney Plaza, and of course opposite here, that's a little bit background. As you can see, there's reclamation works ongoing. All right. And the other end, of course, there is a project, a township called the City of Dreams, okay, ongoing, and the whole project will be reclaiming. There will be also the highways and all that. Hello, hi. Thank you for those watching live. So along here, there will be also highway. All right. So a little bit it will be affected in terms of the real estate price along this road here, but it's not affected much because the high-rise, this you can see from far, the what we call the sea view. Yeah, it's a beautiful sea view up there. Believe me, I was once upstairs there. There is the balcony is really huge. All right, very long, and you can see more than 180 degrees view of the sea. Yeah, so let me give you some information on this project over here. All right, you can see, let me show you, this is the West Tower. All right, there's two blocks over here. Okay, let me give you some information. So the developer is a very renowned, well-known developer called Hansa Properties. Yeah, and this project is completed to be exact, 2011, September 2011, year of completion, and it was completed about 9 years ago. Hello, hi Zitat. Thanks for watching live. What is the best chicken rice here? Maybe you can recommend nearby, other than Ploticus one. The subsale price now going for more than 2.1 million up to 6.5 million is basically the typical unit, standard unit. Alright, and maintenance is about 20 cents per square feet. So the rental price range from 4,600 to 16,000, depend on the size of the units. Alright, hi, thanks for watching live. The build up, typical units start from 2,810 square feet to about 4,000 over square feet, the standard unit. There is also the duplex as well as the penthouse. That is more than about 10,000 square feet. So very huge. It's like condo up in the sky. Alright. So this is high-end condos. Total blocks, there's two blocks. West Tower over here and then East Tower. And in between is the Gurney Paragon Mall. Alright. Hi those watching live. Thank you for watching live. Total story, there's a total of 43 stories. Alright, very high. not very high dense, only 264 units. Of course, each unit comes with 2 car park. Okay, let me give you some information. So how does this project fare? Yeah, hello, Sundiya, thank you for watching. Beside got KTV, okay, cool. Chicken rice shop, yeah, where's the best one? Yeah, so let me give you some information about this project. Additional project information here. The median sales price now is already about 3.4 million. Yeah, so in terms of capital appreciation, when I walked in, then they're still building in 2008 that time, 2010. The price is less than 2 million, so can say that the property price has almost doubled in just 9 years, right? But of course now it's moving a little bit sideways on some project, especially the high-end projects like this. Hi, thank you for the likes. Yeah, and the median rental price is about 7,500 per month, plus minus, depend on the unit size as well as the furnishing. And rental is about 3% plus minus. Okay, so that is about some information about data about this project. So if people are staying here, where does people go to work? All right, people say they do not need to work, the super rich people. But in actual fact, if they are doing business, of course, their business normally will be in Georgetown or will be in Gurney area or Tanjung Tokong area. All right, hi those watching live, thank you for watching. Yeah, so they can also go to very near to, yeah, like I mentioned, Georgetown to work. Pulau Tikus as well as Tanjung Tokong, Tanjung Bunga, all the way to Batu Ferringhi, still within half an hour drive. People go for, where does people go for entertainment? Of course, just come down, there's a Gurney Paragon Mall here, and just walking distance beside there will be Gurney Plaza, which is the nearest for entertainment. So I do hope that you like my coverage here today about this high-end condo here, which is easily more than 3 million, 3.5 million price tag properties of such. And it's super huge, 2,800 square feet above. It is more than what we call the 3,000 square feet easily. Yeah. I thank you for watching live. For those who are just watching live, I'm just covering this project called Gurney Paragon, a high-end property. And you can see it's a very beautiful building, the outlook, yeah, and a very nice sea view over here. So I have got some basic information, some basic research that I've done about the capital appreciation and the rental yield. So if you miss out, you can watch back the replay. Yeah, hi those that watching live, thank you for watching live. And here there will be a huge project behind here. There will be reclaiming. There will be PORR road that will be building here, and the connectivity to Gurney area. So I will say once it's completed, it will be another wave of positive in terms of capital appreciation and also the rental for this place here. It's a very superb location over here along Persiaran Gurney, and it's very convenient. You can't just come down. You can have all the entertainment that you want to have, the food, the F&B, the cinemas, and also very near to Gurney Plaza. So I do hope that you enjoyed this coverage here on this project here at Gurney Paragon. Yeah, cover City of Dreams. Okay, maybe next, but it's still under construction. Yeah, so that will be probably under another portfolio. I will do cover for City of Dreams, but at night they're already on the light during the night. Yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed this. If you have any question, can comment on the box below. If you are shy, you can PM me. If you want me to cover other projects, you can comment on the box below as well, and you can PM me as well. I do hope that you enjoyed this coverage. I'm Keegan Tan here signing off. You are just one property away, and see you soon. Bye bye. Ciao.